In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and send a clean, verified email campaign. By the end, you'll have a tidy audience, a verified sender, a targeted recipient list, a tested message, and a properly scheduled send, all set up for better deliverability and engagement. First, let's remove bad contacts so your emails don't bounce. Open your audience section. Locate contacts with the status marked as cleaned. Select those contacts and click Delete. Cleaned contacts are addresses that have hard bounced or are otherwise undeliverable. Deleting them helps protect your sender reputation, improves open rates, and keeps your reports accurate. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right audience before you confirm, since deletions can't be undone. Next, verify your sender email to build trust with inbox providers. From Audience, go to Settings. Then open Verified Domains or Email Domains and click Verify a Domain. Follow the on-screen verification process. This typically involves confirming ownership through a verification link or domain-related steps provided by your platform. Wait for the status to show verified before moving on. Verification reduces the chance of emails landing in spam and helps your brand appear more professional. Now make sure you only send to active, opted-in contacts. Head to Campaigns and open the email you're preparing. In the To section, click Send To and choose Subscribed Contacts Only. This ensures you're emailing people who've given permission to hear from you, which boosts engagement and keeps you compliant with email marketing best practices. Before sending, always run a test. Inside your email editor, click Send a Test Email. Review the message carefully in your inbox. Check the subject line, preview text, links, images, and any personalization. Look at it on both desktop and mobile so you're confident it reads well everywhere. If something feels off, go back and edit, then send another quick test. Finally, schedule your campaign thoughtfully. Click Schedule, set your preferred date and time, and click Confirm Schedule. Choose a time when your audience is most likely to engage, and be mindful of time zones if your list spans multiple regions. A well-timed send can significantly lift opens and clicks. That's it. You've cleaned out undeliverable contacts, verified your sender, targeted only subscribed recipients, tested your email, and scheduled it with confidence. Follow these steps each time you prepare a campaign to protect your deliverability and get the best possible results.